to work with it. PyCharm has his own GUI, and we can use PyCharm for it. I will show you a bit how to work with it in terminal. A lot of people like to use it in this way. I don't. I don't like to type a lot. I like to use GUI in PyCharm. But look at this. Now, if I ask Git, tell me about your status, it says me, not a Git repository, because I didn't create a repository, and Git don't know anything about I have to store something, I have to track something. It's don't care about it. To do this, I have to say to Git init. I need to do this just once here, and now it's create for me. Do you see my automation course lesson 4 in this folder? It's create.git, and it will store all information about changes inside this directory. At the same time, as you can see, we have all our files in red color. It means all this file not by default Git not storing any information about any files. It just said to us we have to say, okay, Git, please, I want you to track these, and these files, okay? And we have to say to Git about it somehow. How we can do this here? But first, we need to add some setup. We need to do this just once. We have to say git config global username user name, and have to provide username. For example, Andrey for me. Okay, and second, what I have to do, I have to provide global user email. You have to do this just once. Okay. Okay, I did it. After that, Git know my name and my email it need for authorization. Okay, now if I ask Git about status, you can see what it shows us. We have some files, some folders which not in track because it's in red color. Do you see? And here I see the same. In GUI I see red colors. Is it clear so far? Okay, good. How can I tell to Git track my files? I need to say git add dot. It means I want to add all files from here to track it. Okay. Of course, we can add only like specific, but now I want to add all of them. Boom. If I check git status, no, it shows me. We will talk about branch. No commits yet. We will talk about it, but now it's in green. and from this point Git will track our files. But what we have to do here? Here we have a branch. We can ask git branch. Why it's not showing me branch? Weird. Okay, I will find this command. Okay, it should show my current branch, but now we can see my current branch master. By default, master it's main branch, and where yeah, I'm in master branch, but it's should branches no it should show branch. I will check what command. It should show me a list of branches, and I don't want. I believe branch is create new branch. I don't want to work in master branch, because if I broke something in master branch, I will broke everything. And to work, it's better to create another branch. For example, I don't know, branch 1. Why? Let me check. Give me a second. Yeah, I can show here. Like if we go to let's ask ChatGPT. Git create new branch, like that. Oh, it was switch. Okay, it should git branch name. It should works. Git. Maybe I should put it in that. No. Interesting. Okay. Check out master. We can try. Check out master. No, it's something wrong here. Let me check. Maybe I have to commit it first. Git commit.
Git commit.
And git. Yeah, we have to commit it first. Branch should, yes. And now, like when we add files here, and now the system knows it should follow these files, and we have to create like initial commit. Git will use it to compare with different versions, okay? And when I run git branch command, it shows me two branches. First, it's master and test. master, it's my main branch where I store full my program. Okay, and for example, I want to change it to I in range 5, and now it works. Okay, if I run it, do you see it works? Okay, good. After this change, I want to like I want to store it. How can I do this with my GUI? I have this Git branch here. If you don't have, just right click here and click on Git branch. It can be like that. Right click, Git branch. Okay. After that, if you open it, you can see I have two local branches, master and test. Okay, and it's the same like here. What next? If I did some changes here, I can say git commit. Git commit, it means I want to save these changes. It's like one named point where you can go back, and it's like snapshot. And when I add git commit, I have to I can press enter and it will ask me to type something, but easier way it's like type git commit -m, and here like correct code. Just add some memory here to remember what was here. Okay, no changes. Oh, I have to add file first. Yes, I have to git add which file I want to commit. I want to add all files. Git status. Now I have this modified file, and after that I can create commit for this file. Okay, now I have some commit, and it has ID of this commit and some notification like correct code, it add correct code here. Okay, and if I go in this part, how can I do this in GUI? For example, I want to sleep for a second and import from time import sleep like that, and I want to save these changes. How can I do this in GUI? As I told before, you can practice this way to understand how these commands work, and you can use GUI. We have this button, it names commit. If I click on it, it shows me what files was changed. Do you see? It shows me one file. If I want to check what was changed from previous commit, it wasn't import and no sleep there. I can click twice on it and it shows me previous file has this commit name. Do you see? F706F12, it was the last one. I can see it here, F706F12. It just shows first 8 numbers, not full. Here I just see the first one. It shows previously file was like that, but now I add 2 more lines and I can visually see it. Okay, what I can to do here? I can just mark it, add commit message here, like edit sleep, and press commit. Okay, now I have new commit with these changes. What if I want to change this file again? I can delete sleep from here. And now, do you see, immediately I have this file here. Something was changed. If I click on it twice, it shows me in my previous version with new commit number, I had sleep here, but now I don't have it. And you can check what's going on here, what was changed exactly, each line, each symbol. You can see what was changed from previous version. Or what we can go here, say git oh, we didn't add it yet. Okay. Okay, for example, this is our code. And if I want to revert it back, I can say git rollback. It asks me which file, this file, and it will revert how it was in last commit. Okay? Is it clear so far? Okay, guys. But I don't want to break this code. What I want to say, I want to create new branch. And for example, I can click here on master branch and say new branch from master. And it's asking me how do I want to name it. I can say print names. I don't know. Just name it somehow and mark I want immediately to check out to this branch, to new branch. Create it. Nothing changes here, as you see. But what I have print names here because our current branch names print names. If I go here and ask git branch, it will say I have master branch, print names branch, and test, and current branch print names. If I want to change something here, for example, print Alex. This is my new code. And I can commit it. Print Alex. Oh, mark. I have to check it. Commit. And I can continue with this file. But what's going on right now? I have two versions of this file, and I can prove it to you. Now, do you see? I have print Alex here, and if I go to master branch, say check out to master branch, open my files, I don't have it. But I don't lose it. It's safe in another branch. How can I prove it? If I right click on this file, go to git, compare with branch, and I want to compare with print names branch. It shows me print names branch has these lines, but my master doesn't. And I can compare these files. And now, because I'm not in master, when I go back to print names, open this file again, I can do whatever I want here. It doesn't matter. I can delete this functionality. I forget how to restore it. This feature doesn't work. I don't want to care about it. I want to forget and just go back to master branch. Don't check out. It asks me to commit something. Okay, I can commit it. delete all. You just put here comments, because later if you see commit name, you can't understand what is it. And when you add some comments, it give you like notes what was in this commit. Okay, delete all. Now I want to switch back to master. Go this file. I never lose. I lose nothing. I have my file, and I decide print names. It was wrong branch, and I want to delete it and forget about it. And I don't need test to just delete it. And I have my code. Is it clear, guys? Guys? Okay. Yeah, it's a bit complicated, but you have to play with it. Okay. What if I'm doing all good? For example, I want to add something here. If you use your code like previous without Git, you can broke everything, and it will painful to recover it. But if you switch to Git, just every time from master, create new branch, new feature, for example, new feature, create it, go to new feature. I want to implement print goodbye here, and I like it. I like this code. I can say print goodbye, commit it, and okay, now it's stored. And what if I want to, if I like it and I want to make this file as part of my master branch? I can say go to master. When I'm in a master branch, I can say new feature, merge new feature into master. What it means? It means I want to move all changes from my new feature branch to master branch. Look at this. Merge. It says merged new feature to master. Okay. If I don't need and I don't want to use my new feature branch anymore, I can just delete it. I don't care about it, because next branch you can name in different way. And now if I go to this file, I'm in master branch, but I have this function print here. Do you see? Or I can add from master, I can create new branch feature 2. And here in feature 2, I can say print hello, and I want to change range to 10. Okay, looks good, but I'm not sure, do I want to go in this way or not? I can save it, just make commit. I can say whip work in progress, for example, commit it, and I can go to master branch and create one more branch from master and say feature 3. Do you see? I don't have that print statement anymore. I don't have 10 here. I have exactly like in master branch. And here I don't want to print it, and I want to rename I to X and X. And I want to sleep 2 seconds. I can delete print I can commit it. And what's going on right now? Right now, I have a new feature branch, which we merged already in master and we don't need it, we can delete. We have master branch where I store my main code. It's like my main program, which I don't want to break. When I try to change it, I create one branch, I name it feature 2. If I go here, as you can see, I have print hello and range 10. I test it. Or I have another branch, feature 3. Go here, and here I have range 5, I change name to X, and I can decide which one I like more, this version or feature 2 version. If I don't like all of them, I can just delete it and don't care about it because I have my master. But I decide I don't like this feature 3. I want to implement this print and this 10 to my master branch. I just check out to master branch and say feature 2 merge into master. And you see why it's better to name in better way, because now I can what was in 2, what was in 3, I believe it was in 2. Okay, I say merge feature 2 into master. It says it merged. Now if I go to master branch, I'm in master branch and go to this file, do you see I have print hello, I have 10 here like it was in my temporary branch. Is it clear, guys? So it's a bit complicated in the beginning. I will send you link to Git, but try to because it has you have to spend a bit time for it. You can go to my links, which I will provide on our page, and try to play with it to start understand what's going on. And as you can see, if you have a big code in your master branch, you don't have to use this branch because you can kill your application. You use different branch, play with it. If you like it, you can merge it in master. If not, just delete it and forget about it. And you will not break your main code. Okay, guys? Okay, good. Please try to play with it. You can try to play with commands. It has a bit more commands. I will send link. You can try to do this. And next time, we are doing it in terminal here. Just run terminal and here git version. Next time, because we have not only local repository, we have remote repository, and we will talk about it on next lesson. Okay, we will talk about GitHub. Okay, thank you everyone to participate in this class, and see you on Wednesday. Thank you, guys.